Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily invite your Facebook friends to your Instagram. So if you just can't do it, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. So this is the first way you need to try. Another way you need to try, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find your Wi-Fi and just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also, you can try to do it with mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. After, just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And the latest option you can try, just go to App Store, just go to just write here Instagram, and if you see here are not open but update, just tap on update. It means that you have available updates on your Instagram. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.